Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on restore number 151 for Dan in Wisconsin. This is a 1957 Johnson 18 horsepower model FD-11, and she is a beauty, fully restored. Let's get her on the water and see how she runs. She's a beauty, runs good. A little bit of a shake, just a little bit, but runs great. Idles, pushing my 14-foot feathercraft about 21 miles an hour. It's got speed. Oh, we're starting to get a rain. Let me take it for a run real quick. Here we go. Running her about 30 minutes. She runs great. She's ready, Dan. I'm getting rained on. I'm gonna bring her on in. She's a beauty. I'm gonna miss her when she's gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's take her on in. So as I'm sitting here working on my vintage outboard motors, I started thinking about the old proverb known as paying it forward. So paying it forward means that if you've ever been mentored by someone, either a teacher, a coach, your parents, some associate at work has ever taught you skills, you reach a certain point in your life where you want to pass those skills on to somebody else. And that's where I'm at right now. If I can just help one person restore their grandfather's motor, and I've helped several, if I can just get that one person to restore that legacy motor, my mission has been a success. So that's a good thought to have. And also, always remember and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.